Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 corrupted game data. It's so simple and easy, make sure to follow my steps. So now the first thing you need to do, go to the Windows search bar. After that, go to NVIDIA app. If you don't find it in your computer, just go to your browser and make sure to set it up. After that, go to the left and select drivers. Now you can find this button right here, select install. After that, click on express or custom installation. In order to initiate the process, select continue. For the next step, go to this upside arrow in the Windows taskbar. After that, look for the launcher you have the game on. After that, right click and select exit. Now just wait for a couple of moments and open it again. Once it opens, go to your library and look for the game. You can see these three dots. Make sure to click it. After that, this will pop up. You need to select manage. After that, select verify in order to start the internal game files verification. Just wait for the process to finish and try to launch the game once again. And the crash should not be happening. If it does, make sure to reinstall the game. Or even better, make sure to reinstall the launcher. Probably that's why. And that's it. If you found it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.